Hello gamers, welcome to the next episode of the new episode of Cuphead. Why did I film that intro so much? Jeez. Well, on to the new aisle. This is actually in the same recording session as that last video, because it turns out I got a little bit of footage left, definitely. Well, let's talk to this guy. Looks like I might have underestimated you bums. You gave it to them deaders, you were but good. Go on over to the next island. Lots of fun times waiting for you there. Ha ha ha. Well, this is going to be the best island yet. There's so many crazy characters. Wacky characters. Alright, cutscene. The little mugs have some fight in them, I'll say that much. They're making mincemeat out of them deaders. You see, I knew there was something special about those fellas. Well, don't be too sure yet, boss. I think there's something fishy about those two. Don't blow your wig, Dice. If those two little finks try anything, I'll be waiting. Guess he will be waiting. Anyway, let's do this. What's this? Hold on. Yeah. Let's do this. Only with the chaser shot, because that's basically the best. The thing about it, it's the easiest weapon in the game. Like, oh, let's do this. There's a cop, and he's throwing bombs. Bruh, this beehive is a police state. This beehive is like our political system, but in bee form. Like, this beehive represents a society, guys. This beehive is society. Can't believe it, guys. This beehive represents society. Oh, jeez, no! Whew. Oh, what you doing? Uh-oh, there's a ball. Dang it. There's a ball. Hey, sugar, this honey is off limits. Now scram. That was only the second phase? Okay. But man, that was through halfway through the fight on my first try. I've got this. I can defeat this stupid beehive police state, which is kind of like society. Also Joker reference. Or something. Cause yeah, this cop is like representing reality right now. Or whatever. I don't know. But like, when you think about it, society. Beehives are kind of like society, but they have a hive mind instead of having separate minds. Like, yeah. Oh, that pink ball hurted me. Uh-oh. Ow! That's not cool. That's not PogChamp. I didn't really just say PogChamp. Anyway. Alright. I've ran out of ways I can milk the fact that this beehive is kind of like society, so gotta think of something new. Darn! Dominate and abominate. That's how I be. For real? Abominate. That's the only thing you can think of the rhyme. Abominate. I mean, I guess what do I expect from a hive mind? We only have one brain and it's stupid. That's just how I be. That's just how I be. That's just how I be. I really just... Wait. Are the Cuphead... Nah, never mind. I can't do that. You always gotta stay one step ahead of the... Excuse me. Man, sometimes society is like a Joker reference. What? Okay, I'm starting to run out of ideas here. Oh, what's that? Police... Society... Yeah, For once, I didn't get it. Never mind. Talking too soon. Oh, never mind. You're bad. You suck. You aren't even that good at real life. Okay, never mind. Okay. Never mind. I'm monkered. I got monked. Oh jeez. What you gonna do? Hopefully it's pink balls, because the pink balls are actually not that hard to dodge. You just hurry. Uh-oh. Anyway, you dead yet? Oh wait, I could... Monker, bro! Oh, come on. How was I supposed to dodge that with what I was doing? How? Oh, you gonna read that book finally? Yep, you're gonna read that stupid book. Gonna be like, I read books, then gonna respect that, cause you need to get your education in life. But also you read a bad book. That was the dark arts books, which is not that good to read. Regular books are fine, like I don't really care if you read those, but like dark art books are not that fun, cause they allow me to die more, which is not that fun. Oh, I did it. That was crazy. Oh, I died. Anyway. Woo! Yeah. That's how you do it. That's what it's all about. Monker, bro. Monker, bro. That's what Prior Cynical says. Now I'm just saying it because I watch this content a lot recently. You get how I steal other people's things to make my own thing, but they just their things, but now I stole it? Yeah, I don't have any time, I think, for hey. Are you gonna need some tips if you want to heal these deadbeats? Start by mixing up your weaponry. Can't expect all your arms to work the same on every foe. Mix and match, landlubbers. That's what I say. That's what I've been doing. Sort of, yeah. Ship time. What'd be best for this fight? Probably Chaser, then that, yeah. Boom. Wait. Basically same thing. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Let's see how that works. Definitely. I don't usually use the lock move because like that requires actually staying still. Like you oh, oops. Oh. Why did I do that? No. And then what you doing, laying lover? That barrel is quite annoying. Oh, what's this? Not you. Ooh, you're annoying. Also, oh. That's not good. Nah, I can still see fine. You are bad at game. Oh. The dogs. Okay, now everyone else is joining in on the fun, apparently. Oh. The ship is starting to spit. Come on. Monker, bro. Monker. Oh, jeez. You guys got me hit. Oh, what the? No. Oh, jeez, come on. I can't dodge. I can't, man. Har. Shut up, bro. Shut up. And, okay, yeah, this is the part where the ship starts spitting some bars. Nah, some balls. Wait, ayo. Confess to a crime on... Could have dodged that. Could have did something better in my life. I decided to be bad at video games. And also steal jokes, because I ain't funny. But yeah, this ship do be, spitting facts. Oh, what the frick. Come on, bro. That's Monker. That's Monker, bro. That final ship section sure is a ship section. What the? Oh, there you go, again. Being yourself. Never be someone else. Always be yourself. That was the inspirational quote for the day. Anyway. Dog. Wait, what the? You didn't kill that dog. Well, I guess, as you say, always dodge a dog. Don't try to kill it. Because most likely you'll die. That actually can't be applied in real life. Well, usually also running from a dog makes me kill you more. But whatever, it just counts on who's the victor. Stupid shark. Oh, stupid shit. Oh, I'm Monker, bro. What? Oh my god, it actually worked. Phew, phew. Shut up. What the frick? That was... Bro, no way. You're crazy cracked, bro. Come on. Bro, how? Actually, I know how, but that's not for this video. Shut up, bro. Shut up. So, oh, here comes the... Boom, boy. That's how it's done. Well, guess that's the end of this episode. Hold on. We usually get to the contract screen before I do the outro. Yeah, that is the end of this video. I'll probably see y'all in the next episode. Yeah, a couple. So, next episode. Bye.